Hello everyone, this is Kian. On the second and the last day of my time at Patagonia section of Chile, I am going to see a glacier on Lago Grey. I just checked in at the hotel for the excursion. However, after checking in, we would then need to drive our car for 3 or 4 more minutes to the next parking lot. And from there, I will be walking 30 to 45 minutes to the beach where the boat is and get on the boat. The boat is departing at 10 a.m. Let's park the car at the second location. And now I am on the way to the beach. I am on the beach now. It's actually kind of far away. The boat is literally parked on the very furthest point of the beach. But behind me, there's a beautiful snow mountain. This beach is super windy and it is super freezing at the end of April. So definitely bring gloves and guinea hat. After a good 30 minutes walk, we're finally at the boat. This boat is called Grey 3. However, over here, I can already see the glacier in the far distance. It's just like at the end of this lake, essentially. So yeah, not sure whether it's actually worth getting on the boat, or I could have just driven here myself and then took a photo with a 10 zoom or something. We're finally on the boat. It's quite busy, and then the vibe is like this. How are we feeling?
Freezing.
Freezing?
Absolutely freezing.
There's a free drink person included in this tour. So the alcoholic drink is the pisco sour, and this is halafati sour, which is basically a Chilean version of the pisco sour. So I'm driving so I can drink. I got one each, so Oscar could try both. Cheers, Oscar.
Cheers. I am the guinea pig. Very sour.
Okay, so what about the...
It tastes like a margarita.
Sure. And this one is the halafati sour.
So it tastes like a sour version. If you've had, in southern Italy, the cactus fruit, it has a similar taste.
Cool. And then Yixiang got a cup of tea, but she just wanted the hot water. So see the water. Cool. So I'm going upstairs now. It is open. Wow. Okay, it's not that cold. This boat has a stop at a refugee with a round-trip passengers. We have to stay on board. I'm very close to the glaciers now, very super cool. And behind me, there are also icebergs. They're super close as well. Yeah, it's just very pretty, crystal blue and also crystal white. More blue one has less bubbles, the whiter ones have more bubbles. Yeah, this glacier is super cool. This is my very first time seeing the glaciers. And it's very close as well.
I have enjoyed, but fa freddo, fa freddissimo.
We are back to the beach now, and it's super windy. But our Patagonia section of my trip in Chile has just ended in this case. And now it's just 4-hour drive to the airport back to Santiago de Chile. Isan is well covered. On the way back, there's really beautiful rainbow. It's simply because there's a very big cloud of mist coming towards the beach, and then the sun is directly facing it. On the way back, we saw some palacas and Oscar is very excited.
See the baby's crossing with her? I don't want to be spat at.
Oh my god, these mountains honestly look like a scene in a game.